Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video, and today we'll quickly learn how to stop your Mac camera from following you around in Zoom using Center Stage. First, while you're in a Zoom meeting, move your cursor to the top menu bar and open Control Center. Then look for Video Effects or Camera Options depending on your macOS version, and you will see Center Stage there. Just turn it off to stop the camera from automatically tracking your movement. And if you're finding this useful, consider subscribing to Delft Stack for more Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now, continue with me because there's another way to do it if you prefer staying inside Zoom settings. Open Zoom, go to Settings, then Video, and look for the Center Stage option and simply uncheck it to disable the feature directly from the app. And if you don't see this option, it usually means your Mac OS is not updated or your Mac camera doesn't support Center Stage, so updating Mac OS or restarting Zoom can often fix that. Also, keep in mind that some external displays and webcams may not support this feature at all, so the toggle might not appear. And once you've turned it off, your camera will stay fixed in place during meetings without auto-following your face. Hope this helps you keep more control during your Zoom calls. See you in the next one.